In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to customize sales forms in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started. First, launch your QuickBooks Online. Make sure you are already logged in. Click the settings icon and select custom form styles. You can edit the default template or click new style to create a custom design for a specific sales form. In the design tab, choose a template, upload your company logo and customize the colors, font and layout. You can also adjust the margins, use your own letterhead or configure the form to fit a window envelope if supported by your selected template. Switch to the content tab to customize what appears on your sales forms. To the header, choose the business and customer information to display. Rename the form if needed and decide whether to show transaction numbers, shipping details, payment terms, or custom fields. In the table section, select which columns your customers will see, such as the product or service name, description, quantity, rate, amount, SKU, or service date. You can drag and rearrange columns, edit their labels and widths, and choose whether to display features like account summaries, progress invoicing, or billable expense markup. Finally, open the footer section to display discounts, deposits, estimate, summaries, or a personalized message for your customers. Once you are happy with your changes, click Done to save your custom form style, and that's it. That's how you can easily customize sales forms in QuickBooks Online to create professional looking invoices, estimates, and sales receipts that reflect your brand and provide customers with all the information they need. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.